Hi everyone, as you can see, I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing BTS x PUMA Blaze shoes. Oops, so I got the white version. So before I move on with the photo card, I'll just show you the shoe slightly. So I'm still thinking if I should get the black one actually. Apparently this shoe fits me, so thank God. Oh yeah, and before I forget, it comes with another shoelace which is black in color. So if you want to change the shoelace color, well, you could. Okay, and then oops, sorry. Okay, and then I'll just move on with the cut. So right here we have the photo card. So this is the entry ticket, if I am not wrong, where you have to scratch off the back and then go to this website. Yep. So the entry ticket, and then you will have 2 stickers. Let's move on with the photo card. The front. Yeah, and then all the signatures at the bottom. Oh my god, J-Hope. And then we have Jimin. We have Jungkook. And then we have Jin. We have Red Monster. We have Suga, sorry. And we have V. Have you guys heard that V is actually debuting as an actor? I'm looking forward to the show though. It should air around the second half of the year. I'm looking forward to it. And this is the last piece. Yep, so that's all for today's unboxing video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.